Hi children, a very warm welcome to Narana Live class. So today in this video we are going to see an assignment on how the state government works. So which is class 7th. Now let's start our assignment with the first question. So here is your first question children. See, in order to gain majority, how many MLA support is required for a political party? So here the answer is what? More than 34 MLAs. So in order to form the government, so that means what children? After once elections, so which party got with the majority of support 34 MLAs, so that party is going to form the government. Now let's take second question here. How many MLAs are there in Bharatiya Janata Party? So in Bharatiya Janata Party total how many MLAs? 44 MLAs. Sir, how you are telling this 44, 34? Yeah, in your textbook one data is given. As per that, here the questions are framed. Now let's take third question. Who is the head of the state? So head of the state is governor. While you are coming to the country, who is the head of our country? That is none other than our president. So like that, each and every state head is governor. Now let's take fourth question children. Who appoint governor of state? That means who will appoint the governor of state? Yeah, governor of state appointed by the central government. That means president. Now let's take fifth question. How the Bharatiya Janata Party became a ruling party? Yeah, just now we discussed in the second question and the first question. So which party, if support means with a majority support, at least 34 MLAs, so then that party will form the government. And in the second question we discussed what? Bharatiya Janata Party having 44 MLA support. So that is why obviously Bharatiya Janata Party there is a chance to form the government. So that is what here, how the Bharatiya Janata Party became a ruling, because it is 44 MLAs had the majority and it became the ruling party. Now let's take sixth question. Which party became the major opposition party? Yeah, if you take children today, so which is the ruling party in India? Yes, that is obviously Bharatiya Janata Party. Then opposition party is Indian National Congress Party. So that is what your answer. So opposition party is Indian National Congress Party. Now let's take seventh question. Who became the chief minister in Bharatiya Janata Party chosen by MLAs? Yeah, here, so chief minister, they are talking about state, not country. So here the answer is what? Sri Jairam Thakur. So as per your textbook, here questions are framed. Okay, children, right. Now let's take eighth question. Who have the responsibility of running various government departments and ministries? Yeah, who is having? Here we are talking about state government, no? So that's why. So obviously chief minister. So chief minister and other minister means cabinet ministers have the responsibility of running various government departments or ministries. Next, ninth question. What is a legislative assembly? Even in previous assignments we discussed this question. So what is legislative assembly? Is a place where the discussions will take by MLAs. That means the decisions will take by MLAs. So that is what you see. A legislative assembly is a place where all the MLAs, whether from the ruling party or from opposition party, meet to discuss various things related public issues. Now, 10th question children. Why were Afrin and Sujata excited? Yeah, this is also as per your textbook only. So, Afrin and Sujata, why excited? Because, so they are going to visit assembly. Yeah, everyone, if you go to Delhi, if you see once parliament, we really will excite. Is it right now? So, here also, Afrin and Sujata, why they are excited? Because they are going to see the assembly. So, that is what here. Afrin, Sujata, other students were excited because they were traveling to the state capital to visit a legislative assembly. So assembly was housed in an impressive building. After the security checks, children were taken upstairs to the visitors gallery. From there they saw the large hall with the rows of desks for the MLAs. So that's why they are very excited. Even you also children, if you go to some parliament or MLA or president's bhavan, so definitely after seeing that really will excite and will enjoy, right? Yeah. Now let's take here 11th question. How does assembly works? So how assembly works, children? Like, so first of all, ruling party, if they want to implement any plan and program, first they will present in front of assembly and they will discuss on that program and what are the advantages, like pros and cons. Even opposition party, if they want to clarify anything, doubts, so they will raise the question hour, like, so that whole discussions, finally they will take one decision. I will show you one video regarding how assembly works. You can see here.
மத்திய பிஜேபி அரசினுடைய குடியுரிமை திருத்த சட்டத்தை பற்றியும் இந்த அரசினுடைய நிலைப்பாடு பற்றியும் இந்த ஆளுநர் உரையில் எந்த இடத்திலாவது சொல்லப்பட்டிருக்கிறதா?
மாண்புமிகு பேரவைத் தலைவர்களே, மாண்புமிகு எதிர்க்கட்சி தலைவர் சொல்வது.
Yes, have seen children how assembly is working? Like the different MLAs are discussing about different issues. Even if you see in Tamil Nadu, see Palaniaswamy is the chief minister, he is discussing something, and opposition party Stalin is answering something. Like, so this is how the assembly will work. So assembly will works here. Now coming to the 12th question, children, who takes the decisions about running of the government? Yeah. So who will take the decisions related to the government? Yes, chief minister with the help of his cabinet ministries. So that is what here see, chief minister and other minister, means here cabinet ministers have to take the decisions about running government, and these decisions has to be approved by the MLAs in assembly. So based on that, even how money they are spending for programs, everything they will discuss, and final decision will be taken by ministers, means chief minister and along with the cabinet ministers. Now let's take here 13th question, children. Name some political parties of India. Yeah, in India so many political parties are there. So let us see here few examples. Indian National Congress Party, Bharatiya Janata Party, Nationalist Congress Party, Communist Party of India. So I will show you here. See, this is Indian National Congress Party, children, and this is Bharatiya Janata Party. Okay, so like this, many parties are there in our country. Next, coming to the 14th question, in which constituency 15 people die because of diarrhea? So that is Akhandagon. So Akhandagon, in that constituency 15 people die because of diarrhea. So okay, children, so these are 14 question answers related this assignment. I hope you are clear with these answers. Thank you so much, children. Have a nice day. Now signing off.